What? What? Keep going. Tell me more. Or don't tell me more. Reverse psychology. Hush. You be quiet. Oh! That's fussing. Reverse psychology is working. You hungry? Oh. She wants chicken. Oh God, I said it. Chicken? Right now? Right now. Literally. Let's go get the chicken. Look what I have. Oh, oh. I think we can get a high five out of her. Gizzie. Wait. Gizzie. Hi, one. Good girl. Okay. Haven't been very creative these days, guys. Haven't been doing many videos. She's still around. She's doing okay. Kind of a Grinch now, but hey, she's still freaking cute, right? Gizzie, are you cute?